2025 Infiniti QX60 Autograph AWD is here, boasting a new engine and luxurious interior. Welcome to Bike and Car Saga. Speed up to your ride. But does it truly stand out in the crowded luxury SUV market? Infiniti replaced the outdated 3.5-liter V6 with a 2.0-liter turbocharged i4. While this new engine offers 258 horsepower and 286 pound-feet of torque, it still struggles with noise and lacks the power to impress. The 2025 QX60 performed the quarter mile in 15.2 seconds at 89.2 miles per hour. The outgoing version did it in a quicker 15.2 seconds at 92.9 miles per hour. Despite the engine upgrade, the QX60's driving experience remains lackluster. Turbo lag and poor gearing result in sluggish acceleration, with a 0-60 time of 7.9 seconds. Even in sport mode, the drive feels uninspired, as noted by Detroit editor Elisa Priddle. The QX60's handling is a mixed bag. While braking is responsive, the suspension struggles on rough roads. Considering the smaller displacement and lower power, the new turbo i4 is more efficient than the previous engine by a noticeable margin. The new engine's fuel economy of 22-27-24 mpg city/highway/ combined beats the old engine by 2 mpg across each category. Others thought the ride felt just fine on rougher asphalt, if not for a bit too much vibration coming through the seats and, to a lesser extent, the steering wheel. The QX60 will do fine cruising on most roads, but if things get a bit choppy, don't expect the dampers to soak it all up. Inside, the QX60 shines with its luxurious and comfortable design. However, it lacks significant updates from previous models. The 2025 Infiniti QX60 Autograph is arguably the best version of this model produced so far. It finally got its missing low-end torque. It still looks great inside and out, and with a price of just under $72,000 as tested, there's decent value to be had. But it's just not the best three-row luxury SUV on the market right now. The QX60 is very good, but it looks like Infiniti was just satisfied with making the 2025 model marginally better than the previous one and nothing more. It's hard not to see this as a great luxury SUV that's also a missed opportunity. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment with share your thoughts. If you love this video, please do subscribe, thumbs up, and share. See you next.